Hey girl, hey, we about to jump straight into it. So I'm starting off on dry, old, nasty hair. This is like an old scrunch and go that I brushed out, and it's time to get it together. I'm using Aphogee products to get me together. Y'all know I've been loving these products ever since I've been relaxed. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it clean. So first of all, turn that water down. Like girl, I really had to learn this. Like, our hair does not like burning hot water. I like a burning hot shower, but our hair is like, no boo, don't do that. And I've definitely noticed with me being relaxed, my hair is really not effing with burning hot water, because when the hotter the water, the more your cuticle is exposed. When you turn that water down, it closes that cuticle, which gives you smoother, shiny, healthy looking hair. So this is the shampoo I use. I've been using this shampoo for a minute. Y'all can see it's all banged up. That's because I use it all the time. And first I just target, my scalp to get it nice and clean. Normally I use like a tea tree shampoo for dandruff, because I have noticed with me being relaxed, my hair is a little more flaky. So sometimes I'll use that, but if my dandruff is not too bad, I'll just go ahead and use the, damaged hair shampoo. And I love this shampoo, y'all, because it is so moisturizing. Like, it just does not strip my hair. If anything, I feel like this shampoo adds moisture to my hair. Like, I love it so much. It gets it clean, but it's also super moisturizing. So I shampoo my hair twice. The second time, it gets super lathery, and I make sure to cleanse my whole head, brush it through, and y'all, I'm clean and moisturized. So now it's time to jump into our conditioner. I'm using this Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Now, honestly, I like this stuff, but I do not love it. I like it as far as like it being a keratin treatment or whatever, because I feel like it does do the job when it comes to that, like strengthening my hair and blah, blah, blah. But as far as giving me like that moisture that I'm looking for, like a deep conditioning treatment, it's just not doing it for me. Like I don't know. I just love me. Oh yeah. Postpartum genesis. I know I'm going through it. I'll definitely have a video about this soon, but I'm definitely going through my postpartum struggle. Okay. Anyway, back to the conditioner. I just don't feel it as a deep conditioner. Like, it's just not heavy enough. I like a creamy, heavy conditioner. Even being relaxed, I still like a heavy, creamy conditioner. And this is just, it ain't all the way it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this reconstructor. I still like to use this every wash day. Next time I'll just probably follow up with a different conditioner to give me that moisture I'm looking for. But I just comb that through, clip it up, and put my cap on, finish my shower so it can kind of get deeply in there, and voila, this is my hair after deep conditioning. Like I said, I like it because I feel like it does the job, but I definitely like my other conditioners more, like Tresemme, Aussie Mega Moist, or I had like that texture treatment by Aphogee. Just different, like creamy, more heavy, creamy conditioners that does a better job on my hair. But hey, here's how it's looking. So after my hair is t-shirt dried, I go ahead and add in all my leave-ins. I use the Aphogee Pro Vitamin Leave-In Spray, and I also use the Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor. I love this spray. It's great for like chemically treated hair. I've been using this stuff for so long. I love it. And then I also go in with my argan oil, and I like to put that in my hair before and after I blow dry. So now it's time to blow dry, and I always get questions on my blow dryer. Y'all already know how I'm coming with the Conair Silverbird Pro, okay? Y'all know if y'all been rocking with me for a while. I have been using this blow dryer since, 2013 or 14. Like, I just been stuck with this same blow dryer. Not the same one. I done bought like a couple. But, you know, the same blow dryer just does my hair so right, natural and relaxed. Like, love this. It is in my Amazon store. I have a bunch of like products that I use right there in my Amazon store to get my bomb silk presses. So make sure you go shop and pick you up some essentials for a bomb silk press like this, okay?
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else.
So I go back and forth between my hair arts and these, which are the Nano Babyliss titanium flat irons. I love these. I cranked them all the way up to 450 this time. Normally I do it like on 410, but I just wanted to, I wanted to get that extra silk today. So all the way on 450, I just go through and do it like once or twice, and that's it. I don't put too much heat on it, and yeah, enjoy.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
So boom, bam, silky, shaky, yes, get into it. Here is my final result. Y'all, my hair has gotten so long. Like, I feel like I'm back at the length I was when everything broke off. If y'all don't remember that, go back and watch that video. But definitely stay tuned, because I did get my hair trimmed because I desperately needed a trim. It don't really look like it, but I desperately needed a trim. Like, my ends were just a little bit staticky and not very healthy. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.